ちゃんと聞いてますの？少しでも理解できたらもっと言うことが終わりでし
ょ。Are you even listening to me? Is any of this sinking in? What do you have to say for yourself?